In this video, I'll show you how to reply to a specific message in Slack and keep your conversations organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Start by opening Slack on your desktop app or browser and log in. Once inside your workspace, head to the channel or conversation where the message is located. Hover over the message you want to reply to. You will see a set of icons appear. Click on the speech bubble that says Reply in Thread. A panel will open on the right side of your screen showing the original message. Now type your reply in the box, then hit Send. Your response will be neatly added under that thread, keeping the main chat clean and making it easier for everyone to follow the discussion. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a specific message in Slack. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.